Abafundi bezikole okukhona kuzo iMalandela, iNkandla Tech kanye neKwane Combined benze kahle kakhulu ezifundweni zezibalo, isayensi ne-accounting. Bebelekelelwa kulezi zifundo iNkungumathe Youth NPO ibacijela izivivinyo zikamatikuletsheni eziqala ngoLwesibili.
I-award engitholile bengiyi-top student, bengithole number 1 kwifundo se-accounting.
Under i-program yeNkungumathe. Namhlanje ngithole i-award for being the best learner in mathematics.
Ngifikile lana to be a part of Nkungumathe program, which helped me a lot because I gained a lot of things from this program. I was able to focus more on topics that challenged me, especially in maths.
Bayingxenye yabafundi abangama200 abalekelelwa isikhungo iNkungumathe Youth NPO.
Besihlangene ngakho ke namhlanje besize ngohlelo lokuzovalelisana siphinde sikhomelise labo bantwana benze kahle kwizifundo zabo ngaphansi kohlelo lwethu esilwenzayo olubizwa ngokuthi iSTEM, okuyi Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, Mathematics and Entrepreneurship.
Umcimbi ubuhanjelwe izinduna, umphakathi kanye nabamele uhulumeni. Uhlelo leNkungumathe Youth NPO lokwelekelela abafundi baka-matric kanye nentsha, i-Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, Mathematics and Entrepreneurship lesekwa yenye yamasitha omnyango wemfundo ephakeme nokuqeqesha.